Hi guys, it's Allie with Allie Answers. I hope that you're having a fantastic day. If this is your first time watching, welcome. And if you are a returning visitor or you are a subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Today I'm going to give you some tips and tricks that assisted livings or senior livings want you to know. If your loved one is a diabetic, you can be sure that the staff is working very hard to control that diet. Even if your loved one likes crackers and candies, they are trying to balance everything out so that your loved one can feel as good as possible. But they also probably don't believe in keeping them from eating the things that they love. In other words, moderation is key. Keep in mind that if you send snacks that are like Little Debbie's and ice cream bars and things that are going to increase their sugar, it will make your loved one happy for a short period of time, but it is actually going to make them feel like garbage later on. And then the staff has to deal with that. Controlling insulin is difficult. Some communities are allowed to actually administer insulin and some are not. So you want to work closely with your wellness director and make sure that if you're going to provide snacks for your loved one, that you provide a healthy choice. That does not mean that they cannot enjoy their lives and have sweets. If you would like to show your love to your loved one through food, and I totally get that, then just make sure it's healthy. Another secret is that clothes are going to get lost. It is just a fact of life in senior living. If you think about it, in your own home, if you have several people living there, sometimes you lose your favorite black sweater for a while. You don't know where it is. It is easy when you have lots of people that you are doing laundry for things to get lost. So please do not send precious items of things that really are going to be damaged in the washing machine. They should be easy wear, easy wash, easy care laundry. The focus really is on comfort and enjoyment. Unless you have certain party clothes that are just going to come in for your loved one to get dressed up to go to a wedding or to get dressed up to go to a graduation party or something big, then please just keep it simple and make sure that the items that you purchase are the kind that will not shrink in hot water, because things have to be washed in hot water, if you know what I'm saying. And finally, my last secret and tip for senior living. Most places have mail, and a lot of them have little mailboxes, and they put the calendar and little items in there for your loved ones. But many seniors check that mail every single day. Every day, sometimes 2 or 3 times a day. So I know that it may be something that you've not done in a very long time, but if you could send your loved one a postcard, if you could get your grandchild to draw a beautiful picture, if you have leftover school pictures, if you have a fun article that you found in a magazine, anything. Your loved one loves to open mail. It doesn't matter, even if they have dementia, they will enjoy getting something with their name on it, with something inside. Something that has a handwritten "I love you." Anything works. I wish you all the very best. Take care, and don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up or comment below. Bye-bye.